Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's call this meeting of the State of New York Mortgage Agency Mortgage Insurance Committee meeting to order.
I'd like to request a motion and a second to call to order the October 13, 2016 meeting of the SONYMA Mortgage Insurance Committee. The motion and second recorded will be used for all action items before the committee unless specific items call for a different vote or unless any committee member wishes to record his or her vote differently. We have a motion?
Do we have a motion?
So moved.
And a second.
Okay,
The minutes of the meeting of the Mortgage Insurance Committee held on September 15, 2016 shall be deemed approved, absent corrections from the directors.
Okay, the meeting will move to the Mortgage Insurance Committee program action items. Item 2, resolution recommending the approval of 100% mortgage insurance on a $14,800,000 HFA permanent first mortgage loan for Marion Avenue Apartments, 2681 to 2691, Marion Avenue, Bronx County.
Marion Avenue Apartments is the new construction of 99 low-income units, including 65 supportive housing units, which will be reserved for clients of OMH. 8 of the remaining 34 units are reserved for veterans. OMH will provide debt service on $13.5 million of the $14.8 million permanent loan. In addition, the project will benefit from $17.5 million of low-income housing tax credits, a $5.5 million HHAP subordinate loan, a $2.5 million Housing Trust Fund Supporting Housing Opportunity Program subsidy loan, and 420C tax benefits. The project is being developed by Postgraduate Center for Mental Health, experienced developer of supportive housing. PCMH will also manage the project and provide supportive services. PCMH is a new borrower for HFA and Sunny Mae. The loan amount is $148,000 per unit, which is 35% of the total development cost of $420,000 per unit, and it breaks even with an 11% increase in operating expenses or a 13% vacancy rate.
Are there any questions?
Then the resolution before the committee is recommending approval of mortgage insurance and a commitment for the provision thereof for Marion Avenue Apartments, 2681 to 2691 Marion Avenue, Bronx County. Assuming the first and second previously entered, all in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
The motion is carried.
Item 3, resolution recommending the approval of 100% mortgage insurance on the $12,350,000 HFA permanent first mortgage loan for Fountain Avenue Site A2, 888 Fountain Avenue, Brooklyn, Kings County.
Fountain Avenue Site A2 is the new construction of 266 low-income units, including 67 supportive housing units that are reserved for clients of OPWDD. This is one of 2 condominiums in a development that also includes commercial space, which is being separately financed, and is the first of 3-phase development. In addition to the insured mortgage loan, the project will benefit from $37.8 million in low-income housing tax credits, $16 million in Housing Trust Fund capital subsidy loan, a $13 million HPD subordinate loan, and 420C tax benefits. This project is being developed by the Archer companies, experienced developers of affordable housing. The affordable units will be managed by the Block Institute, which will be contracting with OPWDD and will master lease the supportive units from the borrower. OPWDD will be funding supportive services and rent support for the supportive units. The loan amount is $46,000 per unit, which equals 14% of the total development cost of $321,000 per unit, and breaks even with a 10% vacancy and collection loss or 7% increase in operating expenses.
That's on landfill out there in Fountain Avenue, isn't it?
This is a site that
This is Gateway.
The Brooklyn Development Center is on
It
the
used to
site.
be a
and
big
it's-
OMH thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
Yeah,
all right.
so it's on that site of the to-be-closed Brooklyn Development Center.
Mm-hmm. Okay, know the site. Okay.
I will move.
The resolution before the Mortgage Insurance Committee is approving mortgage insurance and a commitment, recommending approval of mortgage insurance and a commitment for the provision thereof for Fountain Avenue Site A2, 888 Fountain Avenue, Brooklyn, Kings County. Assuming the first and second previously entered, all in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
And the motion is carried.
Item 4, resolution approving 100% mortgage insurance on a $6,300,000 HFA permanent first mortgage loan for Packet Boat Landing, 294 Elmwood Avenue, Lockport, Niagara County.
Packet Boat Landing is the new construction of 60 low-income units, including 21 supportive housing units that are reserved for clients of OMH. OMH will pay 100% of the debt service for this project and will also provide rent subsidies and support services for the 21 supportive units. In addition, the project will benefit from $5 million in low-income housing tax credits, a $5.6 million Housing Trust Fund Supportive Housing Opportunity Program subsidy loan, and a pilot with the City of Lockport. This project is being developed by the DePaul Group, experienced developer and operator of supportive housing in upstate New York. DePaul will contract with OMH to provide the supportive services. The loan amount is $105,000 per unit, which is 36% of the total development cost of $294,000 per unit. And because this is 100% supported, have waived appraisal, and it's a one-to-one underwriting.
Any questions?
And the resolution before the Mortgage Insurance Committee is approving mortgage insurance and a commitment for the provision thereof for Packet Boat Landing, 294 Elmwood Avenue, Lockport, Niagara County. Assuming the first and second previously entered, all in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
The motion is carried.
Any information items?
The September surtax collection was $13.4 million, which puts the average over the first 6 months of the year at $14.5 million, which is running about $1 million a month behind last year, but ahead of the year prior year.
Okay, anything else? Motion to adjourn?
Assuming the first and second previously entered, all in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
The motion is carried and the meeting is adjourned.